Anna. What are you doing here?
Actually, I'm living here now. You're looking for Lex. He's not here.
Lex has gone missing, Anna. I think he may have been kidnapped.
Oh, God.
Has he mentioned any recent threats against him? Anna, if you have any information that might be able to help me find him.
I don't understand, Clark. Why are you the leader of this search party?
Anna, no matter what my differences are with Lex, I don't want to see him get hurt.
Or maybe you have your own reasons? Clark, how did you know that Lex was going to be transformed into that monster before anyone else?
Did you tell Lex about this?
Not yet. Clark, I want an answer. You can't keep secrets when Lex's life is in danger.
If I had all the answers, I wouldn't be here, Lana. I just want to help find Lex.
Then do it. Don't pretend you're doing it for him.